Tiny Reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing Golden Island Korean barbecue recipe. Another Asian food. Asian tradition with a twist. I'm not a good cursive reader. It looks like fire grilled pork jerky. I'm not a good cursive reader. All natural, no added hormones, gluten-free, no nitrites or nitrates added. US inspected and passed by the Department of Agriculture. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Nutrition facts here. Ingredients are here. So let's cut it with my scissors. So I love pork jerky. So did my mom. She was not going to let me eat because it's almost 7 o'clock at night. And I'm not really supposed to be eating anything then. But since I really wanted to, and she made a deal with me, I'm going to be eating a teensy piece. It's all in a small little container like this. Oh my goodness, sorry for a little crash. Something fell over beside me. So it's all in a small container like this. It's like bacon, right? And here's just some other things that just came with it that fell off. So how am I supposed to pick a small one? This one? Probably? Looks like I have to cut it. That's way better. So, oh, there we go. I'll be tasting this piece. A bit greasy. I like any jerky, just jerky. This is very soft and it has more juice, obviously. And it's kind of sesame-like because it does have sesame seeds, if you guys see it. So I'm gonna eat this piece without my mom's permission. So I'll quickly eat it before my mother realizes that a big piece is gone. So the price is $11.99. Rounded, it's $12. Yeah, $12. I was about to say $2. Maybe I should learn my math facts again. So that's it for today. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Eat it. Oh, yum.